Hey YouTube, let's learn this song by Parcels called "Famous." It's a good song and it's got good lyrics too. Now there are octaves being played sometimes, and that's simply playing on the G string a note, and then on the high E playing it 4 frets above, and then you're gonna mute all the other strings. So you're gonna do that by using the tips of your fingers. All right, and you can mute with your strum hand too. But the chords that make up the song are, this is just a G minor 7. We're going to just play it on the top 4 strings. And then we're going to play, we're at the 3rd fret. And then on the 5th fret, we're going to play the high E and get the, that will be a minor 9th, G minor 9. And we're going to come to the 6th fret and play, the full chord is this. That's a B flat minor 13. But we can just play it on the top 3 strings like this. Pointer on the 6th string, low E. Middle finger on the D string at the 6th. We're muting the A. And then ring finger on the 7. And then if you were going to play the full chord, you could play your pinky on the B string at 8. Very funky chord. But it's just a passing chord in this song, so if you have trouble with it, just leave it out. And then we go to this is a A minor 7. I'm gonna just play it on the top 4 strings, and then we go to a D minor 7. That's like the main verse of this song. And then the chorus is very similar. You can play G minor 7, A minor 7, D minor 7. The second time they stay on the D longer, so I'm just doing like a little, going back to the A minor for a second. I got a clean sound with a flanger. That's the only effect I could hear him using, is a flanger. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. Thanks a lot. Bye.